Hi guys, it's Derek with Diamonds. Oh, you thought I was done with videos, did you? No. I have two kits I am unboxing today, and these two kits are by one of my favorite artists. So, let's get into it. So, I am going to show you the it's not a new kit, but it is one of Diamond Art Club's older enys kits. This is a square. I will show you in a minute what I mean by that. I can get plastic off the box, struggle's real, guys. So, first off, you have the square box. That means it's a square diamond drill kit. And you also have the blue line. And look at these boxes, guys. I love the sparkle in them. And it shows you directions on how to diamond paint, their digits, and all types of funness. So, you probably wonder what kit I got. I got Rococo Dream by Guierro. I kept taking this off my wish list and putting it back on. I'm Guierro all the way. So, you can probably see you're facing the carpet. I have no idea how big these kits are. But the first one, oh, so sad. And you'll see why. So, here is the sticker you get. Put it on the side of your box or logbook or however you want to use it. So what I do with mine now, I just started it. I put them on my copier, copy it, then run the copy part of it through the sticker maker. I have a Xeron sticker maker. And then I have a label I can add onto my box. I was hoping. So it comes with the old toolkit. So we're going to get into this. And I'm going to start trying to save my dust bags if I can to put it back into. I'm in love right now. You have no idea. This kit, oh my. So right now, this puts me at 4 of her kits. And oh my gosh, guys, I love her artwork. Next year, I plan on entering into the craft fair. And that's it. I'm going to enter Artemisa. So, we are going to do this. See if it... Fabulous. Look how gorgeous she is. So, I'm going to show you the sticker sheet. Oh, are you for real? Okay, then. Guys, she's only 29 colors. And she has one AB. Boo. Uh-oh. I have a leaker. We are not opening these. So there's your AB, the peachy color. So give me 1 second. We are going to zoom you out. See if I can find the ABs in this kit. Number ones. Okay then. The number ones. So zoom me back out. Actually, that's too far. Okay, give me 1 second here. So the ABs are up in here, in her face. You get further down, all this weird whitey shady stuff is AB. So she's okay. But I was hoping, you know, I didn't have a bust bag of drills. But our club's got to get with the program here. So there is that. So, see, I'm not even going to do that because I still have to do my work for this. So I'm going to just leave that as is because I have to copy it and do all the fun stuff for that kit. So we're going to get into the next one. Oh gosh, this one's getting light. So this was a new release, and I was quick with the fingers, I'm not gonna lie. Just like the one I'm going to be getting shortly, Fenya. Oh yeah, I didn't even waste no time with that. Woo, yay. I like when I get a new toolkit. I get all excited. So, I've been seeing a lot of people on YouTube ripping this off. You don't have to. Why you making more work for yourself? That's it. That's all you gotta do. Oh, yay. My favorite color diamond painting pen. Okay. Give me 1 second, guys. The pip baggies. You have your squishy that you put on your pen. Give me a sec. I'm trying to do this all at once and it ain't working. There you go. Yay. Ooh. And you have this lovely washi tape. Gorgeous cover binder. So cute. Then you get a 4 and 7 placer. So, there's that. You wondering what I got. I haven't even showed you what I got yet. So, this is a round, and it shows you right there. There's the line, and there's the pink stripe. So, before I take it out of the bag, I'll show you what I got. I got Back to Wonderland. It's a 56 by 66. Gorgeous kit. It's out of the box. Let's see if I can not rip the dust bag. Yes, my husband's being all types of extra this morning, so just bear with me. So, I've noticed Diamond Art Club's going back to their old canvases. They went through some weird, I don't know. Their canvases got all types of wonky. So this kit, if you don't like the 310 knife, don't bother. Don't even look at the. Don't even give this kit a second thought. But holy 310. So why I got this is the butterflies. I'm big into butterflies. I actually have a JoJo Art wolf one that I'm dying to do, but you know, struggles real, guys. Oh my gosh, is she gorgeous? So, I'm gonna zoom you back out here. This is her. Now we're gonna get kind of better view. We're gonna zoom in a little better there. So that is Back to Wonderland. I love the butterflies. I'm all for the butterflies. So, this is the sticker sheet you get. And like I said, I copy it and put the copy piece on my box. Let's see how many colors she had. Oh my. Okay. She has 47 colors. And she is so the 310 life. So all of this weird outlining you see is all 310. All of it. So this one I can show you because, you know, I didn't have all kinds of wonky drills bust all over the place. So I'm going to try, and this kit I can't wait to do because it is a round. I haven't done a round Guierro kit yet, so let me look for my ABs. Oh my gosh, they're too blind to the bad. This is one of my favorite ABs. 139, gorgeous. I don't want to open it all the way. There you are, you little sneaky. And that's 117. I'm trying to keep this about as close to packaged right. Oh, yes. Yay! That worked. Back in the package we go. So we're gonna zoom you down to the business so you can see the drill field. See all that weird black here? Oh yeah, that's all 310, guys. So let me pick it up for a minute. Okay. So we're gonna zoom you down as close as I can get you. So in her hair is that weird off-white AB. The butterflies have ABs in them. I believe that's number 2. The ears are full of ABs. And up here where that little tea kettle is, there's ABs in that. let's look here. Down here, you're going to have ABs. So they focus pretty much on Alice, which is a good thing. Because this part doesn't really... And the good center of it is her. So, is AB. I might alter this kit because the rose there, I want to bling that. I also like, see all the reds. I want to make that all ABs, or maybe I can find a sparkler to go there. But yes, I'm blinging this out. That's why I got it. So, and plus, enys Guerrero is one of my favorite artists. So that is that, guys. So, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be posting it today. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hit the like and subscribe button and the bell at the bottom of my video. And tell your friends, neighbors, whoever. More the merrier to my channel. But always stay social distancing, stay safe. With that being said, I'm saying farewell, guys, and happy diamond painting, guys. Bye.